welcome to Nightmare Hunters. I am Professor Bird, the Nightmare Hunter. I'm going to here's my Nightmare Encyclopedia. We each have an encyclopedia. And yeah. We'll start with something very important. The Nightmare Boss. This is the Nightmare Boss. He's strong to fire, flesh, fear, lightning, and rubber. Weak to turtle kangaroos. And turtle kangaroos. I don't even know what turtle kangaroos are. Dinosaurs. Ninjas. Height. 3,000. I don't even know what that number is. Probably like quadrillions or something feet. So it's really big. How to attack. Use a Nerf gun or bow and arrow and rapidly hit. So yeah, use Nerf. How to hide from it. Go under a shady tree. How to avoid. Run away. Discovered by Diamond Girl, which is Xbox's Nightmare Hunting code Nightmare Hunter game, and it eats flesh. Bye.